Hello, I'm Charles. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the terminal ballistic box target. Basically it's just a box, cardboard box with a target on top, or a target on the front I should say. But I've made a little book of cardboard inside so you can see how far BBs and pellets make it through. Okay, for tools we've got some type of knife or utility knife, cutting mat, framing square or straight edge, just framing square is what I had, some duct tape, cardboard box, and optional is one of these little target things. If it fits the cardboard box, it'll be perfect. You might need some extra cardboard, but we're going to go with this box to start with. What I'll do is see how big the box is. It's pretty much 6 inches. So I'm going to mark it up at the 6-inch and go from there. Right, now what we're going to do is carefully cut along the lines we just marked. You'll set that part aside because that's going to be the box that holds everything together. So using a straight edge, make the rest of our cuts. You've got these pieces, you can just cut down to the middle. Oh, you've got kind of like a book. Do that with all the pieces. Alright, whoa. Then you just take the pieces of cardboard you got and put them in the box. And then, if you want, put your target on the box. Alright, there's another optional thing. You can tape all these seams together and make it like a book. And that's going to make more sense later when you see what the ballistic box actually does. And that way you've got like a bound book, and we'll do that with the rest, get them all together. Now, I'm going to number these pages. 1, 2, 3, 24. I might reinforce this spine a bit better as well. Alright, now that you've got a book, when this is inserted in here and shot, this will let you know exactly how many layers of cardboard it's going through, including that first layer. Now, we'll go give it a shot. Alright, then you can get some of your BB and pellet guns. And shoot at the box. Alright, what you do is when you shoot the box, you pull out the book part and see where the BB or pellet went in. And then you keep turning pages. And then there'll be like 2 pages stuck together about like that sometimes. And there's your BB. So it actually made it through to page 3. Take your Sharpie, actually put in the information, like BB 285 feet per second. And that was at 10 meters. Try with something a bit faster. Now that was a pellet going 785 feet per second. So that's page 1, 17, 18, 19, 20. There you are, 21. And that actually turned around backwards by the time it got there. So we can say 0.177 pellets. 785 feet per second. Now that shot was one of these lightweight gold-plated pellets, and it was going 922 feet per second. And that went through all 24 layers, plus the back of the box. So, depending on how fast your pellet is going, it may not stop. That was one of these, going at 530 feet per second. This is a 22 caliber pellet with a 177 BB super glued on top. And it definitely went through. Alright, that was at 433 feet per second. I think we caught that one. There it is on page 18 and 19, and we'll see if the BB stayed intact. It did not. Oh, look at this. Actually, it did, I believe, because there's the pellet. There's 19. So it's 433 feet per second. Hope you enjoyed, and as always, I'm Charles. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.